What's going on, ma'am? You don't know how to drive, so what's going on?
You got a fucking problem?
No, do you have a problem? You don't know how to drive.
You goddamn fucking cut me off on the goddamn road and then were flipping me off the whole fucking time.
I didn't cut off and flip off anybody.
Oh, bullshit. I got it on fucking camera.
Because you came over here with a fucking camera, bro. You were brake checking everybody. Are you fucking kidding me?
That guy was raiding my fucking ass, and so were you.
Passing lane, you fucking idiot. That's
you want to sit here and call me names?
Yeah.
Pussy, get out.
Hit me, bro.
Get out, pussy.
Okay. All right.
Get out.
Okay. All right, bet. What you gonna do about it, bro? What's up?
What's that?
What's up, bro? I'm out of the car.
What's up? You a fucking man? You're gonna do something? You're a fucking man? You're a fucking pussy.
You're a fucking pussy.
You better fucking realize who you're fucking deal with.
Oh, he don't know how to deal with.
You don't know who you're fucking deal with.
Fuck off me.
Don't fucking push me.
Who the fuck are you? Get the
fucking
fuck
push
off
me,
bro.
You fucking push me. Want to put your hands on me one more fucking time? You want to put your hands on me one more time?
Why are you hiding your plate?
You want to put your hands on? You can have my fucking plate.
Thank you.
As I've already got yours.
That's okay.
And you better stay right here because I'm calling the cops.
That's okay.
Everybody saw him push me first.
No. Did you see that?
And I bet you there's a million.
You